How to fix insufficient funds Google Play error message. Hello everybody, if you're having this kind of error message on your screen, you may follow up this method. So for that, head over to your Play Store app, and then once you are there, go over to the top right corner, your profile, and after your profile opens up, head over to payments and subscriptions, and from there go to payment methods. From here, first thing what you can do is ensure that you have provided correct details and make sure you have enough money in your account or Google Play balance to cover the purchase. Even if that is not the issue, you can use a simple restart of your application. So close your Play Store and try to restart your device as well. Once your device restarts, open up the Play Store and see if you are getting that error message or not. Another thing is you may clear the cache of the app. So long press on Play Store and go to the info section at the top. And from there, from Play Store, go over to storage. Go over to clear cache after that. And make sure also that you have the latest version of the app. If not, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. At last, you may also try uninstalling the application and reinstalling the Google Play, and that should potentially help you. So for now, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.